Biosferno območje Entlebuch se nahaja v osrednji Švici in zajema 7 vasi na 394 kvadratnih kilometrov površine. Od tega je več kot četrtina zavarovanih območij z raznoliko fauno in floro. V svetovni mreži UNESCO-vih biosfernih območij velja Entlebuch za model vključujočega upravljanja, katerega cilj je trajnostni razvoj regije.
Our goal is really to be able to transform this region and the inhabitants, the society, environment and economy.
Za uspeh projekta sta ključna dialog in pripravljenost za sodelovanje. Vključevanje prebivalstva v načrtovanje in odločitve je prisotno že od samega začetka. Gre za prvo biosferno območje, vzpostavljeno na osnovi lokalnega referenduma. Leta 2000 je zanj glasovalo 94% lokalnih prebivalcev.
Communication is crucial, important, yeah. People who work in such a place, they need to be able to communicate nicely and understandably. And participation is very important because you cannot transform a region into sustainable development when the people have not understood what the goals are. What we are trying to do also is to close these circles of goods, of resources in the region, and then also the added value circles. A raw product is produced in the region, is transformed, processed, brought to a nice product, and the product is sold and consumed in the region. That's the nicest circle. Everything happens in the region. This creates a lot of jobs and the resources are used wisely.
Območje Entlebuch je zgodba o gospodarskem uspehu regije, kjer zavarovana narava ni razumljena kot ovira, ampak kot razvojna priložnost.
We have figured out that 16% of the summer tourists, they come to the region because we are a biosphere reserve.